Dead end na pala.
Nagda-drive na po ang aking anak. Meron na po siyang non-pro license.
Wow!
Dito kami ngayon sa isang subdivision na malawak ang kalsada where we looked for houses for sale. Link of the house hunting vlog is on the description box. So let's check out the road. Galing. Pag ganyan, binubusinahan ko eh. May signal light naman, di ba, Vios? Wala kang signal light. Yan. You deserve it. Naka-signal na kami. Hindi ka pa magbigay. Oh, no! We are reversing with the new driver over here kasi nakapunta kami sa dead end eh. Oh, perfect. Dilim pa niyan. Dahan-dahan lang sa pag-shift.
Ay,
Ipanitin mo ng 1, 2, ganon. 1, 2, ganon. Ayun na guys, so diba?
Matanda na nga pala siya.
It's already 5:52. It's almost evening. And my daughter dear is driving over here. Driving my pickup truck for the first time
Lalabas po ba kayo po?
inside an exclusive subdivision. And we are now going
Kala
on
naman tayo.
20. But her fastest one is 40 kph siya. Ano, nagsisignal light siya.
Wow!
Oh, dito ka banda sa side. On your right. Ayan.
Paano yung ano niya dito? Tansya niya dito pag malapit na kayo sa
Malapit sa...
gutter. Pag nagta-turn.
Wala, tinatansya ko lang.
Ay, tansya lang talaga.
Nasaan na yung main road? Balik na tayo.
Main ata yung main. Kasi dumaan tayo din.
Partida pa kasi dinan niyo yung tint ko guys.
Ganda nga, yan na po siya.
Parang fatigue. Yung sa sundalo. We're looking for the main road because this is a huge exclusive subdivision where we first planned to look for a house to transfer to, but unfortunately houses here are overpriced and it's also flooding here.
Oh, no.
We're going on 30 kph.
Sorry.
30 kph is the speed and a hump is on the way.
Hapis on the way.
That's the hump, the hump, the hump, the hump.
My hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump.
And we're going on 30 once more. Oh, look at the distance from the side and the hump. Another one.
Ang dami
you go.
no.
Look at those.
Hindi talaga
plants.
stay sa gilid, no? Kasi ang dami.
Very
na.
nice.
Sakto lang ba yan?
Yeah.
Sakto.
Okay. Houses here are huge. See? That's
Ah,
a
ito,
huge
hindi pa rin
house.
na-ibenta. Pinapasok natin yan eh. Nagbibigay po ba ng point?
Stop over there. We accidentally attempted to enter an exit gate. This is not the entry gate. So now we are reversing once more with the new driver who's very much great in reversing.
Ah, bang ba yan? Ah, hindi naman.
It's still far.
Ano ka na yan? Ano ka pala? I'm so sorry.
You're shifting to too fast. Huh? Very good. Oh.
Okay, kaya. Pick up naman.
Alright.
Kaliwa daw, pero hindi ako maliwa. Saan yun?
She knows when to press the hazard
Ay, ang ganda.
lights once more. Beautiful house.
Ba to?
Of course not. Ang ganda ng number ng bahay. 39. Not the number.
What the house?
The itsura of the number.
Pero kung ganun yung titiran natin na OA, tapos dead end to, no?
Parang may naririnig akong music na napaka
Ah, sa
Hina.
earphones ko yun. Ah, dead end nga. Ano ba yan? Lagi na akong gatas.
Earphones, may music ka?
Oo, ayan. Hindi ko na-off eh.
Ano ba naman to? Sabi
One.
ko,
Two.
ayun, ganun dapat ang pag-shift. Tumutugtog yung ano niya, guys, AirPods niya. Off natin. Kaya pala para ako may naririnig na faint music eh. Hindi ito yung AirPods mo sa ano. Yak! Oil control film pala yung hawak ko. Kadiri naman yan eh. We're reversing once more, guys. See? That's the reverse camera. Because we went
Parang
into a
yung
dead
natatansya
end
ko,
once again. Tansya-tansya lang talaga. Ayan, ang galing. Perfect. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we are we are in a dead end once more.
Gusto ko ng...
We are inside an exclusive subdivision. And my daughter is
Pwede kong dumaan dyan.
driving for the very first time my pickup truck. O tatama sa likod ah.
I can't see. At least merong camera.
The reverse camera is on. So join us as we watch my daughter drive my pickup truck for the very first time today. And it's already, what's the time? It's 6 p.m. And we are currently reversing on a dead end road. There are lots of dead ends here. And
Ano, anong balak
I
natin?
can't, ha? Hindi, forward ko ulit dito sa side.
Kasha siya dyan?
Yan, okay, sige. Let's turn on the hazard light.
And straight. Oh, yung gagawin lang naman.
We are reversing. Actually, may gate yun eh, oh. Kaya lang yung guard kasi, di ba? Ayaw mo nang makipag-usap sa guard.
Introvert po kasi ako.
Introvert. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. See ya!
Tama ba yung side mirror? Hindi. Ay, yung galing ko talaga.
Wow!
Christ.
Nice. Ang kitid ng daan, oh. See? She's reversing without my guidance. She already has her non-pro driver's license. She got it
Nakasa ako
The
sa
other-
parking dito.
the other day, last Monday of October 13. Oh, stop. Stop muna.
Ano ba?
She got her non-pro license last Monday.
Ang dami niya. Can you
And-
stop?
Yeah.
Meron pa.
We're just waiting. Oh, stop muna. Ay, may
Hindi ka
ano siya.
siya. Wait lang guys.
Ang galing. Oops, no.
Kita ko na ba?
I'm scared. I'm scared. So
ko na.
afraid to show
Ay, no, BYD.
I care.
Wow.
Oops, what? Nandiyan muna siya. Oh my God eh.
Tansya ka naman ah.
Masyado kang nakagilid. Buti walang parating.
Oh.
Mga
me po.
tao. Masyado kang okay. Tulit niya. We're going on 30, guys. Nakamakita. Hindi, magmadali.
Paano to eh? Kasi yung iba tinaturn lang eh. Hindi ba to tinaturn lang? Para mag-high beam?
Huwag ka mag-high beam nga eh.
Hindi, para i-check ko lang. Tapos baba ko ulit.
Ganon, pag ganon.
Ah, okay.
Pwede din namang pataas. Tinan mo kung pataas.
Hello.
Sinong hard evangelista?
Yung kaibigan ko.
Ito yung for sale dati na ano.
Maliit.
Ayan, sobrang baba nung ano. Ayan oh. Ang baba
Ayan
nung
ba yun, no?
garahe. Kaya hindi natin binili. 17 million.
17 million na yun.
Dahan-dahan ka kasi baka may makasalubong ka dyan.
Ah.
Parang one way na naman ata to. I mean, dead end. See guys, it's our very first time and it's dark already. And we're going on 30 on the speedometer. See,
Ay, ang ganda.
30 kph in this narrow
Ito yung
road.
for sale din eh. Mukhang castle na yun.
Oo.
Hindi natin pinasok. Ayun na.
Finally, we're at the main road, guys. Turn right.
Turn right.
Going to the main entrance. We are exiting already. Right nga eh, papunta kang left. Stop!
Tomorrow for sure.
Alright, it's day 2. We're in the highway. Siyempre, hindi ko ma-mention kung anong highway to. Basta highway to. Hindi ko siya na-video sa ano eh. Paglabas niya ng garage, ng backwards. Sloping yung ano namin. Yung garage na. Masyado kang malapit na. Na kinakabahan ako eh.
Kinakabahan kayo.
Masyadong malapit.
Ayan, layo.
Yan, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang.
Biglang sumigit na.
Hindi, iyaan mo silang sumingit. Businahan mo na lang kapag hindi nag-signal light. Ayun no, mag-slow down ka agad. Malayo pa lang, alapit na
Hindi
yun.
ka naramdaman yung pag-break ko minsan.
Medyo may music tayo, pero if-faint ko yan. Kasi kinakabahan ako pag walang music. Alam niyo naman guys, sa mga Pinoy drivers. Alam, feeling ka I'm not Pinoy. Ang lapit masyado.
Sige, nalalayan ko na.
Sometimes I feel that I am not Pinoy because I'm just following the lines of the road, you know. I'm staying on my lane most of the time. Not most of the time. Talagang all the time. Then use my signal light while everything or most of the cars around me are swerving like snakes on the road. Hindi naman yung turo ko sa daughter ko to stay on her lane, and whenever she needs to change lanes, use her signal light. Kasi that's the proper way. And kahit hindi ganun kabilis, makakarating, di ba? We will get there safely. Yung mga motor din kasi, tinan mo, solid yellow line, di ba? Very nice. Very nice. They're making their own lanes in between the cars, di ba? Oh, ayan, ang daming beating the solid yellow
Sabi
line.
ko nga sabi ka rin instructor sa akin, huwag mo na isipin yung mga motor masyado. Like na nasa gilid mo, kasi iwas mo naman.
Oo, mas tansya nila kasi mas kita nila eh.
Kaya huwag daw ka ba? Kasi yun yung una kong naalala na yun nung nag-highway ka. Madalas pang masa-breaks yung paa ko. Hindi naman ako nakatapak sa pinifeather ko na parang gumano. Kaya parang hindi ako nagbe-break.
Bilang nag-brakes yung harap nyo, wala na kayong time mag-brakes. Kaya keep a safe distance from the car in front of you. Dapat nga 1 car away. Hindi ka nag-neutral talaga, no? Pag nakastop, nakadrive ka pa rin.
Saan ba naka-neutral?
Oo, nakastop eh.
Yan lang.
Yan. Para napapahinga yung diesel natin kasi petroleum prices are high nowadays. Follow the lines of the road. Yan, follow this line. Yan, keep a safe distance from the cars in front of you. Mag-signal line ka na lang dito kasi may ano dyan, barrier dyan, concrete barrier. Galing. May signal light naman, di ba, Vios? Wala kang signal light. Yan. You deserve it. Naka-signal na kami. Hindi ka pa magbigay. Diba, guys? Para mga snakes. Ayun yung guhit ng kalsada, guys, oh. Susunod kayo, ha? Those road lines are there for a reason. Sa Bangladesh nga, walang road lines, eh. Dito, swerte tayo, guys, na merong linya yung mga kalsada guiding us on the right path.